Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and jubilant welcome to all of you, my dear students. Ethic is known the difference between what you have a right to do and what is right to do. Dear students, today's topic is singleton and equivalent and equal sets. Exercises 1.3, question number 3 and 4. So today's SLOs are: after this lecture, students will be able to define singleton, equal and equivalent sets. Let's discuss definitions. Singleton set means single. A set having only a single element is known as singleton set. मतलब ऐसा सेट जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट होगा उसे हम बोलेंगे सिंगलटन सेट. यू कैन सी हियर इन कर्ली ब्रैकेट वी हैव ओनली वन एलिमेंट. यू कैन सी हियर. यू कैन राइट द एग्जांपल ऑफ सिंगलटन सेट ऑफ योर ओन चॉइस. नेक्स्ट इज equal and equivalent set. First of all, we will talk about equal and non-equivalent sets. Equivalent set, two sets are called equivalent set if and only if one-to-one correspondence can be established between them. मतलब वन टू वन कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस. वी हैव टू सेट्स हियर. वन टू वन मतलब कि जितने एलिमेंट्स सेट ए में हैं उतने ही एलिमेंट्स बी में होने चाहिए. सेम होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. जस्ट यू हैव टू काउंट द एलिमेंट्स. हियर इज 4 एलिमेंट, हियर इज ऑल्सो 4 एलिमेंट. सो दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट सेट. द साइन ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट इज this. This is a sign of equivalent. Correspondent mean मतलब उर्दू में अगर बात करें तो मुताबिकत कि क्या चीज़ उसमें कितनी है. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज नॉन इक्विवेलेंट सेट. Two sets are called non-equivalent set if one-to-one correspondence cannot established between them. We have two sets C and D. You can see here in C set we have 4 elements, but in D we have 5 elements. So these are not equal in quantity. So these are not a equivalent set. These are called non-equivalent set. The sign of non-equivalent is here. This is a sign. ठीक है. Equivalent sign is this. When we draw a line, it becomes non-equivalent. Let's start exercise. In question number 3, we will discuss equivalent and non-equivalent sets. Find the following pairs of sets are equivalent or non-equivalent. Here you can see A is equal to set 1, 2, but B has 1, 3, 7. These are not equivalent set because it has 2 elements and it has 3 elements. So these are not equal in quantity. Next one, set A have A and B element, B have X and Y, both have 2 elements. Set A have 2 elements as well. Set B has 2 elements. So these are equivalent sets. Next one, A set of 4 natural numbers, but set B has set of 3 real animals, but here is 4 and here is 3. So these are not equal. So these are called non-equivalent set. Part number 7 is the set of 5 rivers of Punjab. Set B set of colors in Pakistan flag. Pakistan flag has 2 colors, but here is 5 here, so these are non-equivalent sets. The next question is, which of the following pairs of the sets are equal sets? First of all, we will discuss the definition of equal sets. You can see definition of equal set at page number 10. Equal sets मतलब इक्वल सेट में आपके नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स के साथ साथ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स का सेम होना भी ज़रूरी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव पी सेट एंड क्यू सेट. P set have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Q has 3, 1, 5 to 4 elements. 5 elements. Here is also 5 elements. 1 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3, 4, 5. Same, but order is here disturbed. ठीक है, ये चीज़ कंसिडर नहीं होगी. ऑर्डर डिस्टर्ब हो सकता है, आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं, लेकिन सेम और इक्वल होगा तो हम उसे बोलेंगे इक्वल सेट. Let's start questions. A set has A, B, C, D, E elements, and B has B, A, E, D and C. You can see here A, B, C, D, E. ये मैच कर गए, so these are equal set. Next one is A is equal to 1, 5 elements. Here is we can first solve the these parts. Okay, the solution of 1 and 0 is equal to 1. 1 and 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 4 5. Now check A. 1 match, 2 also match, 3 match, 4, 5. So these are 4 equal sets. The next one is A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but B have unsolution set. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and 2. We have repetition is set. We have 2 times 4 and 2 times 2. A set, we call the set if it has not डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट, यानी कि डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट के रिपीट कोई एलिमेंट ना हो, मतलब कि ये सेट है ही नहीं तो हम इसके साथ कंपेयर ही नहीं कर सकते इसे. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ वेल डिफाइंड एंड डिस्टिंक्ट सेट. सो वी विल से दीज आर नॉट इक्वल सेट्स. पार्ट नंबर 4, अ सेट ऑफ इवन नंबर्स लेस देन 9, यानी कि आपके पास एक सेट है जो 9 से कम का है, वो भी इवन नंबर्स. सो वी हैव इवन नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2. दीज आर द इवन नंबर्स. द नंबर्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आर कॉल्ड द इवन नंबर्स. हियर वी हैव 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, but we have not 0 here, so it's not a equal sets. Dear students, you will do the practice of these questions and you will try to solve on your notebooks, and as well you will learn the definition of page number 9 and 10. You have to learn the definition of singleton set, equivalent, non-equivalent and equal sets. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and share your problems with me.